Congratulations for clicking on this link. I hope that this journal, designed to help you reduce your drinking habits, will work for you. The journal provides a means by which you can track and document in a step-by-step fashion your decision to reduce your drinking, as well as your progress towards the goals that you have set for yourself. The journal basically provides 5 tracking steps that you can adapt for yourself. In the first step, you basically document those reasons for which you have decided to reduce your drinking. In the second step, you set your own goals and the timing around those goals with respect to reducing your drinking. In the third step, you identify those changes that you're willing to make in your environment to help you meet your goals. The journal provides ideas for those changes. In the fourth steps, you identify good habits that you wish to put in place for yourself to help you reduce your drinking. The journal also provides examples of things for you to consider in that matter. The fifth step is about keeping it up. It's about staying on course. In the journal, there will be reminders to reward yourself, reminders of what to do every day and every week, and as well what to expect and what not to expect as you move forward on this journey. Here are examples of the layout of different steps. The journal also provides, after every step, a page for notes and reflections. The journal also includes a checkpoint section, not shown here, that relays information from expert websites on aspects that you should be aware of, such as symptoms of alcohol withdrawal and also ideas on how to reduce stress. The My Tracking section is essential to the success of Step 5, keeping it up. The tracking section of the journal provides up to 7 months of space to document week by week progress. I created this journal to help my best friend reduce her drinking. I use trusted sources for the content. I do not claim to be a professional, a medical professional, or an expert in the field of alcoholism or addictions. This journal tool is not meant to generate, establish, or create a professional relationship with me, as I am not a professional in this subject matter. This journal tool is not meant to substitute for any medical advice, diagnosis advice, or treatment advice. This journal is really meant as a tool to help support your decision to change your drinking habits. I sincerely hope this journal will be of help to you. Thank you.